Okay. Hi friends, I am basically recording this video to introduce you to the next direct tax live online classes by the tax guru Watson sir. He is very well known in South India. We are planning to provide live tax online classes so people who cannot attend face-to-face classes can also get the benefit of his classes. His classes are going to be fully in English, so it will be a benefit to a lot of students who were earlier finding it difficult to attend classes, and now with this lockdown and all being there, this is a very good opportunity for you to learn from the expert. He is going to talk about his classes, and we are also sharing some feedback from his past students. Sir have played a role in multiple rank holders including AIR1. AIR1 has been his student in the past. So now I forward it to the sir, and sir is going to talk about his classes.
Namaste. I am Srivatsan, fondly known as Vatsan of Bharadwaj Institute, Chennai. This is about my next batch of direct tax class for paper 7 of CA final, focusing mainly for November 2020, but also students of May 21 can get benefited. Friends, considering the present situation, considering the time constraint and considering the safety, I am planning to take this class this time fully live online. It is not just online classes of recorded, it is live online. For this purpose, I am going to use the Microsoft Teams app to record our classes to interact with you live. What are all the advantages? The advantage is that you can interact with me. The classes will be live, and any interaction can be beneficial for you. You can clarify your doubts. Also, if you are going to miss some classes due to your workload or due to some other reasons, all classes will be recorded and shared, and those will be available till your examination gets over. So that 1, you will have the backup as recording, 2, you will have a live interaction which will be equivalent, if not a complete substitute. It will better complement the classroom atmosphere. Well, the classes commence on May 25th, 2020. Every Monday, Wednesday and Friday are the classes between morning 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. 3 hours of classes, approximately 45 to 50 days of classes, and the class will get over maximum by September 30th, 2020. Followed by that, I will try to support you with my revision module also, and for the May 21 students, the amendment will be separately covered as a module later in the later days. So my dear friends, for registration, you have to click the link that is there down so that you can go and register. After registering, and for those students who are registering, I will send you a separate video on how the classes are going to be conducted using Microsoft Teams. Friends, learning, understanding and sharing knowledge on tax is a passion for me, and tax for me is an emotion too. So get ready for a live online classes of direct taxes by Watson of Bharadwaj Institute. Thank you very much. Meet you in the classroom.
Hi everyone, we're CA final students who recently completed direct tax classes with Watson sir, and we have been associated with Bharadwaj Institute as well as Watson sir since our IPCC days. The reason we come back is because they ensure timely completion of classes and they provide individual attention to every student in the classroom.
So, anybody who knows about Watson sir will definitely know that he loves two things, tax and Talaivar. The passion he has in tax is clearly evident in the way he teaches in class. He keeps his class always lively. He explains the concept very well. Say, for example, he'll tell us why a section was introduced and how it is interlinked to other sections. And most importantly, he'll tell us how to approach each topic from our exam point of view. He'll make sure that you are confident about the subject.
Another great thing about Sir's tax class is that Sir makes the best of technology by capturing class notes during the class itself and uploading them onto the drive the very same day. He also makes summary notes and amendments from time to time available online. And to top it all, Sir's revision class is the one thing that students need to ace the exam.
Apart from amazing notes, Bharadwaj also provides video classes to its students, and it would be of great help for people like me who spend most of their articleship period doing outstation audits. I was able to catch up with live classes in no time because videos are uploaded as and when the class is finished. And video classes will definitely be of help for people who miss classes due to unavoidable circumstances. So overall, we were extremely satisfied, and Bharadwaj will definitely be a great option.
Hello friends, I am Rahul Agarwal, Chartered Accountant and a former student of Bharadwaj Institute, here to share my experiences of my CA Final Direct Tax classes with Srivatsan sir. First of all, I would like you all to know that Bharadwaj Institute is one of the very few academies in Chennai which provides for direct tax full course classes in English, keeping in mind your articleship timings so that you do not have to compromise on your exam leave. When it comes to the classes, all provisions taken are explained in the most simplest and enjoyable manner so that we fall in love with the subject. While the classes are also exam oriented, it is also ensured that they're taken from a practical standpoint so that it does not just help our exams but also our career. In order to give the best to us, all classes taken are recorded and given to us at free of cost so that we do not miss out on any topics. It is also ensured that every batch is completed at least 2 months before the relevant attempt so that there is sufficient time for revision. Irrespective of what attempt you join, you are permitted to attend the free 3 days revision classes which are conducted exactly 1 month before your relevant attempt, wherein all important topics, case laws, amendments and questions are covered so that you are well prepared for your exams. So, in case you're looking for a direct tax exam oriented classes which fits perfectly into your articleship timings along with a timely completion of portions, you are looking at the right place.
Hello friends, so today I'm going to be sharing my experience in Vatsan Sir's direct tax classes. For me, it was not just a class. Vatsan Sir will make you love and enjoy the subject as much as he does. It's not only about learning what is required for the exam and passing it, but the knowledge that we gain in his class stays with us forever. He makes us think. The classes are always interactive. He'll make you think about why a particular provision. He tells us the history of the provision. It's always a fun class, and I don't think anybody gets out of the class without enjoying the subject. Another big added bonus was that we used to get video class on a regular basis. So the video classes were uploaded around 1 hour after the class ended. So in case we missed a class, it would be very easy for anybody to catch up on a regular basis and not have the feeling that they missed something important. And he's always open to doubts. We can go and ask him any doubt anytime. So if you're looking for tax classes, then I think Bharadwaj should be the place for you. I went there and it's one of the best classes I ever attended. So all the best.